a look at European markets this morning. London is up, Paris and Euro stocks also rising. And of course, that is a big story playing out on the investment front this morning. Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver is joining us now. And Hayley, a bit of a changing situation in the UK. This morning, we were learning that possibly Theresa May was going to be forming some sort of deal or partnership with another party. Now it looks like they are moving forward. How is that affecting markets?
Well, in the initial results of the election, which was a hung parliament, we saw the pound take quite a sharp decline. It hit a 7-week low. We're seeing that recover to some extent as there's more clarity around the UK's political future. You mentioned the London stock markets and European stock markets are up. Part of that is the companies on them more exposed to the international markets than to the UK specifically. A weaker pound, too, is good for exports overall. And there's some sentiment, too, that the fact that there will be a coalition government moving forward will result in a less harsh Brexit deal, which is something the international investment community would likely be favorable of.
All right. But yeah, like you said, still a lot of speculation right now, a changing situation there. Another story that's making big news today, Hudson's Bay, one of Canada's oldest retailers, is cutting thousands of jobs. Why is this happening?
Yeah, they've announced 2,000 job cuts, some of which have happened, but the rest will happen through to the end of fiscal 2018. They're ultimately doing this to try and save money. $350 million is what they're trying to save through this initiative. It's their reorganization plan. It'll also see more funds allocated to online operations and e-commerce. It's been a very tough year for retailers. You can look locally to examples. Ingledew's, Lululemon's, Aviva closing 40 stores there. Kit and Ace pulling back from its international footprint. And big retailers like HBC are certainly not immune to the changing retail landscape. So the company's going to work on transforming its business model a little bit to save costs, reduce the costs involved in operating its physical bricks and mortar locations and pushing more business online.
Absolutely. Yeah. Like you said, Hayley, the retail shopping experience is sure to change, and these companies just having to change with it. Thanks for being with us today.